This is one of the few times in this project I'm going to say that I regret doing this job myself. It's kind of arrogant to just assume that you can do this with no prior experience. I would thoroughly suggest leaving installing the windscreens to seasoned professionals. At least have one on site that can assist and make sure it's done correctly. In any case, I went ahead and installed that rear window today. First thing I did was remove that rear lid so I could step inside and be able to successfully place the windscreen. I did use my engine crane to prevent it from falling off and causing catastrophic damage. I also placed some protective material, particularly where those corners of that lid might impact the body. Fortunately, there were no incidents whatsoever, and that lid came off perfectly. The crane is not 100% necessary. I was able to place it back on without using it at all. I did place this masking tape around the opening just in case of damaging the paintwork, because there is metal trim that has to be installed on the glass before it goes in. And this is the rear window. I'm using the Genuine MB glazing kit. I applied the primer and then the sealant on the actual body of the car as well. And these suction cup handles worked perfectly. I did clean them before using them and the glass, so the seal was perfect. They didn't slip at all. I then went ahead and installed the bottom clips for that bottom rubber trim piece. Unfortunately, that rubber trim piece did sit on my shed floor and got stepped on a few times, so I'm going to have to find a better one. It's kind of crappy. It's now not long enough and doesn't cover the anodized trim to the point it used to. So there is some of the black material still visible on the anodized trim, so clearly that rubber is not covering it properly. But nonetheless, it's on for now. I'll give it till tomorrow, and then I will hose the rear of the car off and check for leaks. I'll be damn surprised if there's no leaks, because this is the first time I've ever installed a bonded glass windscreen myself. Not really something you should try at home, as I said, but I did it anyway. We'll see how it goes.